Are you tired of constantly buying expensive ink cartridges? Looking for a printer that can handle all your printing needs without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the best printers of 2025, testing everything from print quality to running costs. Whether you're a home user, small business owner, or photography enthusiast, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into our countdown of the top 7 printers that are revolutionizing printing technology. 7. Canon PIXMA TR4720. The Canon PIXMA TR4720 is a budget-friendly all-in-one printer that I've been testing for the past few weeks. While it offers basic functionality for home use, I've noticed some limitations that might concern heavy users. The printer handles standard documents adequately, producing readable text and decent color graphics, but the print quality isn't particularly impressive when compared to higher-end models. During my testing, I found the setup process to be somewhat cumbersome, requiring multiple attempts to connect to my Wi-Fi network. The printer's build quality feels rather lightweight and plasticky, which raises concerns about its long-term durability. The paper tray capacity of 100 sheets means you'll need frequent refills if you're planning to print in volume. One positive aspect is its compact design, making it suitable for small spaces. The scanner works well for basic document digitization, and the automatic document feeder is a nice touch for this price point. However, I noticed that the scanning speed is relatively slow, taking about 12 seconds for a single page. The ink costs are where this printer starts to show its limitations. During my testing period, I found myself replacing cartridges more frequently than I'd like, especially with color prints. The printer uses a 2-cartridge system, which means you'll need to replace the entire color cartridge even if just one color runs out. The mobile printing features work as advertised, but the printer's response time can be sluggish, sometimes taking several seconds to start printing after sending a command. While it's an acceptable choice for occasional home use, those needing a more robust printing solution might want to look elsewhere. Number 6. HP Envy 6055E. The HP Envy 6055E presents itself as a sleek modern printer for home offices, but my extensive testing revealed some mixed results. The initial setup was straightforward, though I encountered occasional connectivity drops that required printer restarts. The design is undeniably attractive, with a clean, minimalist aesthetic that looks great on any desk. Print quality for text documents is generally good, producing crisp, clear letters suitable for professional documents. However, when it comes to photo printing, I noticed some inconsistencies in color reproduction, particularly with subtle gradients and skin tones. The printer sometimes struggles with maintaining consistent quality across multiple prints of the same image. Speed is another area where this printer shows its limitations. In my tests, it averaged about 10 pages per minute for black and white documents, which is adequate but not impressive. Color printing is notably slower, and I experienced occasional paper jams when printing multiple pages, particularly with heavier paper stocks. The dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity is a nice feature, but I found the printer's mobile app to be somewhat unreliable, occasionally failing to recognize the printer on the network. The auto-duplex printing works well when it functions properly, but I noticed it sometimes misaligns pages slightly on double-sided prints. While HP's Instant Ink subscription service can help manage ink costs, I found the standard cartridge yields to be relatively low, requiring frequent replacements during heavy use periods. The scanner performs adequately, but lacks the fine detail capture I've seen in other models in this price range. Number 5. Brother MFC J1170DW. The Brother MFC J1170DW has proven to be a reliable workhorse during my testing period. This all-in-one inkjet printer delivers impressive performance across various printing tasks. The print quality is consistently high, with text appearing sharp and professional, while color documents show vibrant, accurate colors that maintain their quality even after extensive use. What really stands out is the printer's efficient ink usage system. Throughout my testing, I found that the ink cartridges lasted significantly longer than expected, even with regular use. The printer's automatic document feeder handled multiple pages smoothly, and the duplex printing feature worked flawlessly, saving both time and paper. The wireless connectivity is rock solid, and I particularly appreciated the user-friendly mobile printing options. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen makes navigation intuitive, and the printer responds quickly to commands. Print speeds are commendable, with up to 16 pages per minute for black and white documents and 9 pages per minute for color prints. The scanner produces high-quality scans with excellent detail retention, and the copy function maintains good quality even with multiple copies. The paper handling is versatile, accommodating various paper sizes and types without any issues. The 150-sheet paper tray capacity proved adequate for most small office needs. The printer's build quality feels substantial, suggesting good durability for long-term use. Network setup was straightforward, and the printer maintained stable connectivity throughout testing. The compact design doesn't compromise on functionality, making it an excellent choice for home offices or small businesses. 4. HP OfficeJet 850E. The HP OfficeJet 8015E demonstrates impressive capabilities that make it stand out in the mid-range printer segment. During my extensive testing, this printer consistently delivered professional quality outputs across various media types. The color accuracy is particularly noteworthy, producing vivid, true-to-life photos and graphics that maintain their quality over time. One of the most impressive features I discovered during testing is the printer's Smart Tasks functionality, which significantly streamlines repetitive printing jobs. The automatic document feeder handled multiple pages efficiently, and the duplex printing mechanism worked smoothly without any paper jams or misalignments. The printer's wireless performance exceeded expectations, maintaining stable connectivity even in a busy office environment with multiple devices. The 2.2-inch touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through various functions. The HP Smart App integration adds another layer of convenience, allowing seamless printing from mobile devices. Print speeds are impressive, consistently delivering around 18 pages per minute for black and white documents and 10 pages per minute for color prints. The printer handles different paper types exceptionally well, from standard office paper to photo paper and envelopes, with consistent quality across all media types. The energy efficiency of this printer is noteworthy, with quick wake-up times from sleep mode and minimal power consumption during standby. The built-in security features provide peace of mind for sensitive documents, and the optional HP Plus system offers additional benefits for those who choose to subscribe. 3. Brother MFC J4335DW. The Brother MFC J4335DW has thoroughly impressed me during my extensive testing period. This investment tank printer represents a significant leap forward in printing technology, combining exceptional print quality with remarkable cost efficiency. The first thing I noticed was the extraordinary page yield from its ink tanks, delivering thousands of pages before requiring replacement. During my testing, the print quality consistently exceeded expectations, producing laser-sharp text documents and professional-grade color prints. The printer maintains excellent color accuracy and detail, particularly noticeable in photographic prints where subtle gradients and skin tones are rendered with impressive precision. The automatic duplex printing feature operates smoothly and quickly, with perfect alignment on both sides. The printer's speed is remarkable, consistently achieving up to 20 pages per minute for black and white documents and 15 for color prints. The paper handling is equally impressive, with a 150-sheet capacity tray that accommodates various paper sizes and types. I found the 20-sheet automatic document feeder to be particularly reliable, handling multiple page scanning jobs without any misfeeds. Connectivity options are comprehensive and stable, with both wireless and Ethernet capabilities performing flawlessly during testing. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen provides intuitive navigation through the printer's numerous features. Mobile printing works seamlessly across various devices, and the Brother Mobile Connect app offers excellent functionality for remote printing and monitoring. The build quality is exceptional, with robust construction that suggests long-term durability. The printer's compact design belies its capabilities, making it suitable for both home offices and small businesses. The investment tank system proves to be a game changer, offering significantly lower running costs compared to traditional cartridge-based systems. 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E stands as a testament to HP's commitment to innovation in printing technology. After weeks of rigorous testing, this printer has proven itself to be an exceptional performer in virtually every category. The print quality is outstanding, producing professional-grade documents with razor-sharp text and vibrant, true-to-life colors. The printer's speed is remarkable, consistently delivering up to 25 pages per minute in black and white and 20 pages in color. What's particularly impressive is that this speed doesn't come at the expense of quality. The automatic document feeder handles up to 35 sheets effortlessly, while the dual-sided printing feature operates with precision and efficiency. One of the standout features I discovered during testing is the advanced color management system. The printer produces stunning photo prints with exceptional detail and color accuracy. Business graphics and presentations look particularly impressive, with smooth gradients and consistent color reproduction that rivals professional print shops. The wireless connectivity is rock solid, with the printer maintaining stable connections even in busy network environments. The large 2.7-inch color touchscreen is highly responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the printer's extensive features. The HP Smart App integration adds another layer of convenience, offering advanced features like scanning to email and cloud storage. The printer's efficiency extends to its running costs, with high-yield cartridges providing excellent page yields. The optional HP Plus system further enhances the printer's capabilities, offering additional features and cost savings. Throughout my testing, the printer demonstrated exceptional reliability, handling heavy workloads without any degradation in performance. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET4850. The Epson EcoTank ET4850 represents the pinnacle of modern printing technology, and after extensive testing, I can confidently say it's the best printer of 2025. The revolutionary EcoTank system completely transforms the printing experience, offering unprecedented cost savings while delivering exceptional print quality. The most striking feature is the incredible ink efficiency. During my testing period, the supersized ink tanks provided enough ink for thousands of pages, effectively eliminating the frequent cartridge changes associated with traditional printers. The print quality is simply outstanding, producing laser-sharp text and professional-grade photos with stunning color accuracy and detail. Speed and efficiency are hallmarks of this printer, consistently delivering up to 15.5 pages per minute for black and white documents and 8.5 pages for color prints. The 250-sheet paper capacity and 30-sheet automatic document feeder handle large print jobs effortlessly. The automatic duplex printing feature works flawlessly, producing perfectly aligned double-sided prints every time. The 2.4-inch color touchscreen provides intuitive access to all features, while the wireless connectivity options are comprehensive and reliable. The Epson Smart Panel app offers excellent functionality for mobile printing and printer management. The printer's scanning capabilities are equally impressive, producing high-resolution scans with excellent color accuracy and detail preservation. The build quality is exceptional, with robust construction that inspires confidence in its longevity. The initial setup, while requiring careful attention during ink filling, is straightforward and well documented. The printer's eco-friendly approach, combined with its superior performance and incredibly low running costs, makes it the clear winner in our 2025 Printer Roundup. For homes, small businesses, or anyone seeking a reliable, cost-effective printing solution, the Epson EcoTank ET4850 sets a new standard in printing excellence. Remember, the best printer for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're primarily printing documents, the mid-range options might be perfect. But if you want the best overall value and performance, the Epson EcoTank ET4850 is simply unbeatable. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews. Drop a comment below to let us know which printer caught your eye, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.